Today, we're going to be looking at Paisley. She's a 1960 Euro Beetle, and this car was built for our charity Beetle promotion. And this car was probably one of the worst that we've ever tried to restore. We'd call it more of a resurrection than a restoration because we very rarely put anything back to stock. This particular build was 1,200 hours in total, and that was done over 105 days. So the first step, really, is the design phase, and that's all me. I usually sit down and decide exactly how I want the car to look, what size engine's going in it, all that sort of thing. And then I work with an artist to create a rendering, so we have a visual of exactly what the car's going to look like once it's done. Once we have a clear idea of what we're going to do with a car, first it goes to blast, so we can get a really good idea of how much metalwork needs to be done. We normally strip the car down to just a bare shell of a car, no wiring harness, no glass, no anything like that. And then we have a person come in and media blast it. Usually it's walnut shell or some kind of plastic media to take all the paint and body filler out of the car and get us back down to bare metal. And then from that point we put it in a sealer which seals the metal, keeps it from rusting. Kate. Once it comes back from blast, we make sort of a full list of the amount of metalwork that needs to be done, so any replacement panels that we need to purchase to go into metalwork. Rodney. We're cutting out the old rusted sheet metal, and then we're welding in either the replacement panels or panels